Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we will discuss how to correct date and time setting on landline phone. Just first the press button of setting. The press of button setting. Then you will see here view menu. Then select the date and time. Press. If you correct the year, you can easily up and down there, but there is no need. Just go to in menu and then again press menu, date and time here, then up time. If time is correct, then go to date. Date is today's and then month. There is no need to correct. That is a simple way you can check it.